I remember looking in the mirror one morning and thinking, where did my strength go? My arms were smaller, my legs felt weak, and even climbing stairs was harder than it used to be. Sound familiar? You're not alone. But here's the good news. There's one simple daily habit that helped me rebuild muscle, regain energy, and feel like myself again. And you can start it today. Welcome to Healthy Aging Advice for Elderly. I'm John. If you're over 60 and want to stay strong, active, and independent, you're in the right place. I share simple, science-backed tips to help you move better, feel better, and live better. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because this one habit could change how you feel every single day. After 65, we start losing muscle faster than we realize, up to 1% every single year. And that loss doesn't just mean we feel weaker. It affects our balance, our energy, even our confidence. Everyday tasks like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or standing up from a chair become harder. And before we know it, we're relying on others more than we want to. But here's the good news. Muscle loss isn't a one-way street. Science shows that even in your 70s, 80s, and beyond, your body can rebuild muscle. You just need to give it the right signal. And that signal doesn't come from fancy gym machines or hour-long workouts. It starts with one small habit. Just 10 minutes a day of simple, resistance-based movements. I'm talking about things like wall push-ups, chair squats, or light resistance band work. These movements wake up the muscle fibers that have been sitting quietly. They tell your body, hey, we still need strength. And when done consistently, they build muscle, improve balance, and restore confidence, often faster than you'd expect. So don't wait until you fall or struggle to get out of bed. Start now. One habit, 10 minutes, big results. So what's the one habit that helped me feel stronger, more confident, and more capable, starting at age 65? It's this: daily resistance training using your own body weight. Now, before you scroll away thinking this sounds too intense, let me stop you right there. I'm not talking about heavy weights or complicated gym routines. I'm talking about simple, controlled movements you can do right at home with just a chair, a wall, or a resistance band. These small movements activate your muscles, especially the fast twitch fibers that help with strength, stability, and even reflexes. And here's something most people don't know. As we age, we don't lose the ability to build muscle. We just stop using it enough. When you add just 10 minutes of gentle resistance training each day, you send a powerful signal to your body. We still need strength. Let's rebuild. Your body listens, it adapts. Slowly at first, but over time, it's life-changing. So here's how to start. Exercise 1. Wall push-ups, upper body strength, chest, arms, shoulders. As we age, we lose upper body strength faster than we think, making tasks like lifting groceries or even getting up off the floor harder. Wall push-ups are a perfect entry point. How to do it? 1. Stand facing a wall, about an arm's length away. 2. Place your hands flat on the wall at shoulder height, shoulder width apart. 3. Slowly bend your elbows and lean your body toward the wall. 4. Pause for a second, then push back to your starting position. Tip: keep your body straight like a board. Breathe out as you push. Start with 10 slow reps. If that's too easy, take a step farther from the wall. Exercise 2. Chair squats, lower body strength, legs, hips, core. Losing leg strength affects your mobility, balance, and ability to rise from a chair or toilet. This move mimics the real-world action of standing up and strengthens the muscles that keep you moving independently. How to do it? 1. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart in front of a sturdy chair. 2. Lower yourself down slowly like you're going to sit, but just tap the chair with your hips. 3. Press through your heels and stand back up. Tip: use your arms for balance if needed. Breathe out as you rise. Start with 8-10 reps. Go as low as feels comfortable. Don't force it. Exercise 3. Seated resistance band rows, back and posture, upper back arms. Strong back helps improve posture, reduces back pain, and makes daily movements like pulling doors or lifting objects safer and easier. How to do it? 1. Sit upright on a chair or the floor, legs extended. Loop a resistance band around your feet. 2. Hold the ends with both hands. Sit tall, shoulders back. 3. Pull the band towards you, elbows moving along your sides, like rowing a boat. 4. Pause, then slowly release. Tip: keep your core engaged. Don't hunch forward, lift tall and proud. Start with 10 controlled reps. Use light resistance to begin with. That's it. 3 exercises, 10 reps each. You can do them all in under 10 minutes. And if you're thinking that's too easy, good. Because what matters most isn't intensity, it's consistency. You're not training to be a bodybuilder. You're training to stay independent, to keep your balance, to walk without pain, and to feel good in your own skin. I'll say it again. You don't need a gym, you don't need a trainer. You just need a little time each day and the commitment to start. And remember, it's never too late. Muscles may shrink with age, but they never forget how to grow. All they need is a reason. When I first started this habit, I'll be honest, I couldn't even stand up from a chair without using my hands. My knees ached, my balance was shaky, and every movement felt like a reminder that I was getting older, slipping slowly into a version of myself I didn't recognize. But I didn't give up. I committed to just 10 minutes a day. And now, I walk with confidence. I get up from chairs without a second thought. I carry my own groceries. I take stairs instead of elevators. Most importantly, I feel alive again. This journey isn't about vanity. It's not about six-pack abs or looking like you're 30 again. It's about something so much deeper: independence. It's about walking to the park without worrying if you'll need help. It's about reaching for a pot on the top shelf without losing your balance. It's about playing with your grandkids on the floor and getting back up on your own. It's about proving to yourself that you are still capable, still strong, still in control of your body and your life. Because every rep, every small effort is you taking your power back. You don't have to accept weakness as the price of aging. You can fight back with something as simple as 3 daily movements. The world may try to tell you you're too old to change, but your body isn't done. It's just been waiting for you to say, let's go. So don't wait for the fall, the hospital visit, or the warning sign. You deserve to feel strong today. Start now. Now here's a bonus tip that can take your progress to the next level. One that most people overlook, but it makes a big difference. If you want to supercharge your results, pair your 10-minute resistance habit with 20 to 30 grams of protein afterward. Why? Because when you challenge your muscles, even gently, they need the right fuel to rebuild stronger. That fuel is protein. And getting enough, especially after movement, tells your body, let's repair, let's grow, let's come back stronger tomorrow. You don't need fancy powders or expensive supplements. Just real food works beautifully. A bowl of Greek yogurt with berries, 2 scrambled eggs with whole grain toast, a simple smoothie with milk, banana, and peanut butter. Even a handful of nuts and a boiled egg will do the trick. And the best part, this combo, movement plus protein, doesn't just rebuild muscle. It boosts your energy, improves your metabolism, and helps you feel satisfied and strong all day long. So try it out. Move your body, then nourish it. Your future self will thank you. And hey, are you going to try this habit? Type "I'm in" the comments. I want to cheer you on. You never know who you might inspire just by showing up. You're not doing this alone. Thousands of seniors around the world are waking up, moving their bodies, building strength, and taking their lives back. We see the comments, we hear the stories. People in their 60s, 70s, even 80s, regaining strength, walking taller, feeling more alive, all from adding this one habit to their day. This is real, this works. You can absolutely do this, not in a year, not someday, starting today. Even if you've felt weak for a while, even if you've had setbacks or feel nervous about starting, that first small effort is enough to shift your momentum. And when you come back tomorrow and do it again, that's when the magic happens. So if this video helped you even just a little, tap that like button. It lets YouTube know to share this with others who need it too. Share this with a friend, a parent, or someone you love who could use a boost today. You never know how much it might change their life. And most importantly, don't miss what's coming next. We've got even more simple, science-backed ways to help you build strength, feel better, and age on your own terms. So stay with us, you've got this. Let's age with strength together.